Good morning. It's Saturday. I've got things to do and places to go today, but I'm going to start off with this meal prep. Since I was out of town, I had to set stuff out while I was gone. I didn't trust steaks to be out for as long as I was going to be gone, so I just did a bunch of 80-20, and y'all know I'm trying to clean out my freezer anyway, so so I'm going to crock pot this up. I don't remember, I made 8, 9, 10, then 93% last week. So I've got some partially made already, and so I was just going to add some this to it. I also don't know, or I already added some of my burgers that I had left over when I got back in town. And so now I'm going to, I'll just use this 80-20 to fill in the rest of the 93%. And so I'll be eating a lot of beef this week, which is perfectly fine with me. So now I'm going to make sure this is on low. I'm going to cover it. And where's my timer? I'll come back every hour. And chop it up with my, meat chopper, whatever this thing is. So that's what I do every hour. Usually takes about 4 to 5 hours for it to get all the way done. Hey, quick note. I forgot to put in the water. And I turned it on high for this first hour, and then I'll turn it back down to low after this first hour. I just kind of want to kick it in gear. I got stuff to do today. I did totally forgot to add the water. Don't forget, I do not season my meat until each day, because I like to know what flavor, whatever flavor I'm in the mood for is what flavor I'm going to put on it. So, and the good thing about adding the water is I get broth, but I also get, it helps keep it from sticking so bad to the crock pot. It doesn't burn as bad. Can you see that? There it is. There's the water line. So, all right. Now, like I said, I'm going to put it on high for an hour, and then I'll put it on low. I'll show you that. Here's how it looks after the first hour on high. So now I'm just going to go through and chop it all up. It was on high, so now I'm going to turn on low. But I do this every hour so I don't have one big old meatloaf chunk. And you can see how soupy it is because I put the water in there. All right, I'm putting it on low. And I'll come back in 1 hour. Hey y'all, it's down to the wire. I gotta leave here. Start getting ready like 5 minutes ago, but here I am. So as you know, I count calories as well as I'm meat focused. So these 4 containers I have here have 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. And so I'm going to, for my breakfast, I've been having just beef and I've enjoyed that. So I'm going to do, for these, I'm going to put in, I think it's, hang on, I got it written down here. If it has 93%, I have 6 ounces, and then I'll do 6 ounces of 80-20. Whoop, that was grams. Come on. Okay, so I'm going to do 6 ounces of 80-20 with these 6 ounces of 93%. Whoop, that's too much. Okay, close enough. So it'll be, if I have the 93%, it'll have the 6 ounces and 6 ounces. So I've got these, I'm going to do them. I got these other 3 to go, and then I'll do the others. Hang on just a second. So due to time factor, so all those meat ones, that'll be my breakfast, or well, my first meal of the day. Now I'm going to do 6 ounces of 80-20, and since I gotta go somewhere, I'm just gonna get all these made up so that way the meat's done. And then I'll come back and I'm going to add frozen vegetables to this, because then that will be my supper. I'll add 2 servings of frozen veggies to all these when I get home. But for now, I just got to get 6 ounces in them so I can get things cleaned up and put away. And get on. I got a friend who's getting married in a few weeks, so we've got her bridal shower today. So I want to get my butt moving. So anyway, so that's what this is going to be. And then I'm going to try to like keep it kind of scooped to the side a little bit. And then whenever I add the veggies, I will show you that part. When I get home, I'll just cut open a bag of vegetables that are frozen and I'll put them in. So that's how I'm doing. I'll do one more so you can see. And again, this is the 80-20 ground beef. And I measure it one time so I don't have to measure it anymore. Like I said, I'm trying to get it down on one end and I'll add the veggies later. All right. I think that's plenty of them to show you. And I'll get the rest done. And I'll come back this afternoon and show you the rest. Okay, I got about 15 minutes before I have to leave. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ended up with 10 that are going to be my suppers. Those have 6 ounces of 80-20. And I'm going to do 2 servings of the, which one is this? California blend veggies, which is about 160-ish ounces. So that's how I'm going to set them up. So the ones with vegetables will be my supper. The ones with the meat is going to be my brunch. So I'm just going to pop these together. I will have ended up with, how many did I say? 4, 8, 10 brunches and 10 suppers. And yep, I enjoy just eating this twice a day right now. You know, I could always pop it open if I'm starving and eat out half of the all meat, you know, my brunch stuff. But yeah, this is just how it's going down. Like I said, we got on a time crunch. So the vegetable ones I will have on one side of my freezer, and I will know that those are the ones that I have for when I get home from work. And the ones that I look at that are all meat, I'll know that those are the ones for that I'll take to work. I like eating kind of heavy around noon, 11, 12. It helps me at work, helps me stay focused, helps me enjoy my day. You know, we all know as a former binger, I love the full feeling. So, yeah, it makes my day better, and I just enjoy having that full feeling around 11, 12 o'clock. All right, I'm going to get the rest of these 5 done. So that's how things are looking. This one has vegetables. So, no, that's the all meat, I think. Hang on, let me look. This one's vegetables, so that'll be after I get home. This one is all meat, so that will be when I am at work. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 days worth. Let's say Saturday. So this was my supper tonight. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So next weekend I'll have to do a little bit of a meal prep. But so that's how it's looking. I'll take one from this side, one from this side, and that will be what I have for the day. I have 3 days worth left of coffee, so I'll be making some more of that up. Probably tomorrow. I'll be doing laundry and stuff tomorrow too. So that will be the only thing I have left that I can think of for meal prep. So there you go. That's the meal prep this weekend.